The product in your hand is Anit electric towel rail equipped with a smart system control through Wi-Fi. By using an electric towel dryer in places where accessing to gas is difficult or in places where there is no hot water piping system, you can benefit from its optimal heat. In addition, as Anit towel rail is made of pure aluminum, it has ability to save energy while gives you pleasant heat output. One of the best things about Smart Control is that it gives you the ability to program your heating through your phone and Wi-Fi, providing sophisticated heat management. Anit electric towel rail is unique in design and performance, which is explained separately in the control system setup guide video. What tools do you need? Spirit level, electric drill, brackets, dowels and screws, tape measure, screwdriver. First of all, you need to determine the location of the towel dryer on the wall. You are allowed to only use switched fused spur for towel rail at bathroom. Please note that the guarantee does not cover incorrect installation, maintenance, incorrect use of the device, and the purchaser's faulty electrical installations. In bathrooms, the product must never be installed in such a way that the switches and other control products may be touched by someone in the bathtub or having a shower. This product should be installed in areas 2 and 3. Somehow the electric part placed at position A and B away from splash of water. This product must never be installed with its control panel at the top or horizontally. During installation, use wedges so that the control panel will not be in contact with the floor. Your radiator is supplied with 4 fixing brackets. They are specially designed for Anit towel rail. All of our towel rails are supplied with a template to help you install them easily. In order to start the procedure, place the template on the wall with the minimum height of 60 cm from the floor. Marking and drilling the holes using the template. Then place the dowels and tighten the screws. Place the towel rail onto the brackets. Press and lock the towel rail inside the bracket. Check to see if the towel rail is level correctly. For any product, if the power cable is damaged, it must be replaced by a specific cable. The replacement of the cable must be done by the maker, its after-sales service, or qualified personnel.